Mind Rescue Kit. Watch this first. Do it now. This is a Mind Rescue Kit, and it's all about practical actions you can take to get back on an even keel and start moving yourself upwards. Don't just read it, do it. Think about it like this. Reading about how to stop someone bleeding is no good. You must actually follow the instructions to stop the bleeding. If you don't take action, you won't learn anything, so just do the exercises. To help you, I've provided the course material in video, audio, and text format so you can learn the way you find easiest. I've kept the theory to a minimum. Each part has one or more exploration sections where there are activities for you to complete. It's best to work with these activities after absorbing the main lesson material. Just so you know, these sections are marked Explore. It's optional, but I'd advise you to keep a journal as you do the course. Journaling is a useful way to track your learning, and revisiting your past experiences helps to highlight the areas where you've made the most progress. The material here is based on a combination of techniques from neuro-linguistic programming, that's NLP, and from my own work. Now is the time to get started.